Alright, so today came the Varla Eagle 1.
Electric scooter. I think we can come down here and cross.
And ordered it about a month and a half ago. Took a little while to get it.
Yeah, it got delayed.
So let's get it opened up and check it out.
Alright.
Here, does it open up? Alright, yank it out.
First we gotta pull out some foam. Oh, here's the handlebars. Not even connected. There's a key.
I guess that's how I fit it in the box.
That's a lot work.
Alright, let's yank it out.
So right here we have.
Alright, so here it is assembled.
Yeah.
Just flip up the bar and lock it in here. Everything was loose on the handlebars.
So yeah, we gotta.
So I just kind of put everything in place.
Does anybody recognize
Who knows what I'll have to.
Who recognizes this though? Same thing that was on the MX500 that we put on there. Same exact key switch, which is kind of cool.
China. So yeah, just gonna put everything there, and I'm gonna take it for a test ride, I guess, and then I will try it from there, and maybe adjust these as I need. Yeah, it came with some pads, came with the inner tube. The free extras that I ordered with it haven't come yet. Just need to check the air in the tires, and then go for a spin. All right, and here's the Varla Eagle 1 outside. Already taking it for a little test drive. And before I got this, I got a phone mount clamps on the bar. We'll see how that does. Amazon. If it's any good, I'll add a link to it. It's fully charged. 58.9 is what it says up here. The battery's full. And yeah, I guess we're ready.
Oh, what the? Cicada.
Yeah, cicadas are still everywhere.
Cicada wants to be in the video.
We're ready for a ride.
Oh, you almost forgot this. No, you did forget that.
Yeah, we don't want the battery power to fall out. It would have spilled out and leaked all over the ground. Oh, and here's my previous scooter.
Yeah.
So that's the ES3, yeah. Which is a nice, portable, fun little scooter. Yeah. So, but with his weight, it works better for him than it does for me.
Over the past few years, it used to go 18. Now it goes around 15 top speed on flats.
I think it's like 15, 16, and then down here you can hit like 20 or so.
Yeah, you can hit 20 going downhill.
This thing so far I've hit 41 on. So that was going downhill. All right. Alexander on the Varla Eagle 1. Alright, we rode a couple miles, Hartford Glen. Pretty cool. Scooter has plenty of power.
Yeah, it was going a lot faster than the ES3.
Wow. And I was kept in eco mode most of the time.
Yeah.
I'm gonna sit down and get a drink. Alright. Now, one thing to mention the Eagle 1, I did notice that this bolt here comes loose on the suspension. So we're just gonna apply a little bit of Loctite to that. And well, actually I'm using green, so I have just kind of out. It's actually wicking grade, it'll be fine. Yeah, now you're not used to the blue 242 or 243. But we're using Wiccan. Which one is this one? 290. Alright, so we'll put this in, and that's the only one I've seen backing out so far. And we've got over 100 miles on it. Alright, we've got a little outdoor BMX bike trail. First time, by the way, so we'll see if he wrecks. I think he just missed the ramp. What happened? The ramp's that way. Oh, okay. I'm blaming that one on the sand. Nice. 12-year-old approved. So how was it?
That was really fun.
You had a lot of air back there?
Not really, because it's kind of scary.
Because you don't want to wreck my scooter?
Yeah, that too.
Then you gotta get a job and you gotta pay for it, and it's like all that work. Alright, we'll get some cool videos. We'll get some cool videos when the Pegasus finally shows up.
Yep.
Yay.